Hello children, in this video you learn the use of repeat command. Now in the previous video you have already learned to draw a square. Let's see how we had drawn the square. Now this is a square. If I want to start drawing the square from this position, I will first give FD command. FD, suppose 100. After FD command, my turtle will reach this position. So I will turn the turtle now, suppose RT 90. After giving RT 90 command, the turtle will turn in this direction and then it's ready to draw this line. So again I will give FD command, FD 100, and then again I will give RT command to turn the turtle. This way I will be drawing the second side, this side of the square. Now to draw this side, again I have to give FD 100 and RT 90 to turn the turtle. So once I have executed this command, my third side of the square will be drawn. Now to draw the fourth side, again I will give FD 100 and RT 90 to bring the turtle in its original position. So these many commands I need to execute to draw the complete square. But can you notice one thing children, that my FD 100 and RT 90 commands are being repeated. Once I have, this is first time, this is the second time, this is the third time, and this is the fourth time. So total 4 times the same 2 commands are being repeated. So instead of typing the commands again and again and executing, we can directly use these 2 commands using repeat command. Okay. So how I'll write? I'll write the command repeat first. Repeat. Now how many times I need to repeat these commands? 4 times, isn't it? So after giving a space, write 4. Then start a square bracket, and which commands do you want to repeat? FD 100 and RT 90. So these 2 commands you will write inside the bracket. FD 100 and RT 90. Okay. And now you close the bracket. So this complete statement if you write, directly you will get a square on the screen. Let's see how you will get it. Now this is logo. First I will change the pen size. So I will give the command set pen size in square bracket 10 space 10. Okay. And then I will give the command repeat. So repeat 4 times inside bracket FD 100 RT 90, close the bracket and press enter key. Can you see the square is drawn? I will hide the turtle. Can you see the square now? So this way, instead of typing the commands again and again, you can use the repeat command and directly draw the figure. Okay children, now let's see the concept how we are going to use these repeat command. Now see this table children. In this table the name of the figure is already given, the shape is given, and the number of sides are given. Now you can calculate how much turn. For square you already know that you are supposed to turn by 90, isn't it? Because these internal angles are right angles, but in other figures the angles are not right angles. So you are supposed to calculate how much the turtle is supposed to turn. Take for example this triangle. To draw a triangle, you need to turn the turtle by 120 degrees. We have already seen how to draw a triangle in the previous video. Now let's see, children, how we have to decide the angle of turn for different figures. As you all know, children, for a turtle to take a complete circular turn, it has to turn by 360 degrees, isn't it? 360 degrees. Now suppose instead of this circle, you are drawing a square. You are drawing a square over here instead of a circle. Again, to draw a square, the turtle has to take a complete circular turn, but the turn is divided into 4 parts. First it will turn here, then this point, and then this point. So total 4 times the turtle is going to turn. It's not going to turn 360 times. If it turns 360 times, it's going to draw a circle. But to draw a square, it has to turn only 4 times. What we'll do, we'll divide this 360 by 4. Okay. So now 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90. So that means the turtle has to turn by 90 degrees to draw a square, and that it has to turn 4 times. Okay. Similarly, to draw a triangle, again we will divide this 360 by 3. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3 sides. So, we will divide 360 by 3. It is equal to 120. That means the turtle will have to turn 3 times by 120 degrees to draw a triangle. So, always remember, children, whenever you are drawing a closed figure, the turtle has to turn 360 degrees, but it depends how many number of sides are there in that figure. For example, this is a hexagon. A hexagon is a 6-sided figure. Okay. So, if I want to draw this hexagon, again I will divide this 360, because the total turn of turtle is 360 and I am going to turn only 6 times. So, I will divide the total turn by number of times the turtle has to turn, that is 6, which is equal to 60. So, to draw a hexagon, I have to turn the turtle by 60 degrees. Now, few examples are already given over here, children. Okay. So, a triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon. Now, remember, all these figures are having the size of the side same. Okay. The size is over here 40. Similarly, you can draw a circle using this command. You have to turn only by 1 degree, because 360 times the turtle will turn. So, 360 divided by 360 is 1. Okay. If you give FD command 1, it will be a smaller circle, but if you extend this FD input, that is, instead of 1, if you give a bigger number, it will draw a bigger circle. If you want to draw a semicircle, means only a half circle, isn't it? So, you will divide this 360 by 2, that is 180. So, you will repeat only 180 times. So, half circle will be drawn. And now, children, this is the statement to draw a rectangle. Here all 4 sides are not equal, isn't it? This side and this side is unequal. One side is smaller and one side is longer. So, that means the total commands to draw these 2 lines should be repeated 2 times. Can you see over here? 2 times you are going to repeat FD20 RT90. So, FD20 RT90 will draw this smaller side, then FD40 RT90 will draw this longer side. So, 2 sides will be drawn with these commands inside the bracket, and these need to be repeated 2 times. Follow, children? Now, children, let us see one example. Suppose I want to draw a circle. I will change the pen color first. So, I will give the command set PC3. Okay. Now, I will give the command to draw a circle. So, I will give repeat 360 times inside square bracket FD1 RT1. Close the bracket, press enter key. Can you see? Circle of cyan color is appearing, okay, but you can't see the turtle position because my turtle is hidden. So, I will show the turtle. Can you see the turtle now? Now on the right hand side I have given RT command. Can you see over here I have given RT command to it has drawn a circle on the right side. Now I will change the color, I will give color code as 4. Okay. Give the same command, but I will change the turn from right side to left side. I will turn it on the left side. Okay. So I have given LT command. Press enter key. So see, on the left side it has drawn a circle with red color. Again I will change the color. I will give the color code now 5. Press enter key. Now instead of FD1 I will make it FD3. Okay. I will make it FD3, but my turn is 1 degree only, LT1. Now execute this command. See, since I have changed the input for moving, I have increased the input, isn't it? From 1 I have made it 3. So it has drawn a bigger circle. Again I will change the color. I will make it 6. Okay. I have changed the pen color. Now again I will give the command. Suppose 5 I will give now. FD5. Okay. So it will draw a bigger circle, but I will draw it on the right side now. So RT. Press enter key. Can you see, children? If you give a bigger input, like I have given FD5 over here, and the drawing and the figure goes beyond the screen, it comes from the other part of the screen, opposite side of the screen. Thank you, children.